Hey everyone, Magpie back with another video on the channel, and it is part 3 of my haul unboxing for the massive haul, the hunt that I did for coming out of lockdown. We've already reviewed and unboxed Bill and Jambalaya Chimichenga. If you haven't seen those already, link in the description down below for a playlist which will guide you to all of my unboxings and reviews. They'll be in there, so please go check them out if you haven't already. In this video, as you can see, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing 2021 Mama Bernoulli. So, let's have a look at the packaging. Obviously, it is 2021 with the beautiful cardback art that I have raved on about for the last 2 videos. Metal at the top. And there she is, Mama Bernoulli, who is Francesco's mum from Cars 2. We're going to look at the back. There we go. As I said, as seen in Cars 2. There she is on the Porticorsa racetrack. Because why not? So let's go ahead and unbox her. So, I hope that you've all been enjoying this little series so far, my unboxing hunts. Unboxing haul hunts even, sorry about that. This is exciting. I'm really enjoying the way that this channel's going and progressing. I mean, I'm glad that you're all enjoying seeing what car hunting in the UK looks like, how it may be different from where you're from in the world. I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting, and I hope that I can keep it up because this is a really nice hobby that brings us back to being a kid, and that's always a nice thing, isn't it? Perhaps I just struggled there to open the box and make small talk. Here she is. The first thing that I've got to say is that I actually love this. They've done a really good job with this headscarf kind of thing. Goes all the way around her. She's got her hair there. And there she is. Got Bernoulli on the car there. What's that? Oh, that's a bee. Can I have a look at my camera? Yeah, I'm just going to say that's a bee. I really like that. I've never noticed that before. Number 1. Obviously Francesco's number. The Italian flag. I like the wheels. The wheels are really nice. Obviously the same kind of style, F1 style car as her son. We are going to review these two together, compare them. But first we're going to go for the base. Made in Thailand. Mattel. And I believe that this may actually be at the same time the Jambalaya was made. No, this is in the 47th week of 2020 in factory A, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is made 1 week after Jambalaya Chimichenga, which is always a nice little thing there. Really, really like this one. So let's go ahead and compare. Oh God, she fell. Let's go ahead and compare her to her son Francesco. They're both Formula 1, Formula type cars. With the red body, obviously Francesco has spoilers and all that. But they both have open wheels, so it must run in the family to have open wheels. Well, I guess, of course. If you ever seen F1, I've seen F1. I love F1. They do have open wheels. They've got a really similar expression. Smiling. Going to compare from the side. Obviously, I know that Francesco has, racing wheels, spoilers, paint jobs, sponsors, all that, but they've both got the number 1 on them. Both have the Italian flag, and both have, there's Francesco's signature, and it says Bernoulli on her. Obviously she's got her hair at the back, and the rest of her scarf, same from the other side. And Francesco obviously has a lot more coverage on the base of him because he's got all of this. So if you took all of this off, he would be like the same kind of shape as what Mama Bernoulli is. But just to have a look at the bases, I know they're going to be different. This is last year's Francesco, made in Thailand. It's my neighbour doing something upstairs. I don't know what he's doing. My upstairs neighbour. I don't know if you could hear that in the video. But yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Right. Anyway, we're going to wrap up this video before my neighbour starts making any more noise. Mama Bernoulli, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Personally, really like this one. Glad that I managed to find it in the first Smiths that I went to. Always nice. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments down below what you think of this car. I really like it. I love the design. I love like all of this, that added detail. I love like how they make formula cars, not just stock cars. So it's like a real mix of race cars. Mattel's done a really good job. Okay, he's drilling. He is drilling something upstairs. Anyway, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to have to wrap this video up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!